Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix where sorry but Word or Excel has run into an error that is preventing it from working properly or correctly in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step that you need to do is you need to open the programs and features. How we can do that? At your keyboard, press Windows and R key together. Again, press Windows and R key together to open this Run window. Here you need to type upwiz.cpl. Okay, it is upwiz.cpl. Click on OK. The moment you click on it, these programs and features would appear. Here you need to select your Microsoft Office. You could have Microsoft Office 365 or Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2016 like mine. Just do a right click and go with changed. Okay. When your user account control will ask you to say yes, just go with yes so that you would be redirected to the next process. So here you can do a quick repair and you can also do an online repair. Okay, just have to click on continue and it will repair the Microsoft Office. Okay, just have to complete the process and finish the process and then restart your computer and I'm sure it will fix the problem for you. Okay, so the next step that I could recommend you is here at your Windows, you need to press Windows and R key again. Again, Windows and R key, then type Excel space / save. Once done, click on OK. And here you would be redirected to the Excel. Okay. Just proceed to the left side of your screen. You can see their file. Click on it. Scroll down and go with options. And here in the Excel options, you can see there at left tab, which contains different options. Go with add-ins. Okay, click on it. The moment you click on it, here you would be able to open the view and manage Microsoft Office add-ins. Here you go with managed, click this down arrow and go with com add-ins and go with click this go button and uncheck all of this. So if in your case it is checked, uncheck all of this, uncheck the inquire, uncheck the Microsoft Power Map for Excel, uncheck the Microsoft Power Pivot for Excel as well as this Microsoft Power View for Excel. Then click on OK. Once done, click this X icon and just have to restart your computer and you need to access your Microsoft Excel or Word again and it will be fixed for you. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.